Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How we doing? Can everybody hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Good morning, brothers.
Good morning, brother. I can hear
Good
you.
morning, good morning, Aaron. How we
Hey.
doing?
My brother. Kalimera.
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 Yes, sir. Midvogue, baby. Let's get it.
Mittwoch.
We are indeed blessed. Good morning, AB. Good
It's
morning, TND.
Wednesday.
Good morning, Energy.
Energy.
Energy, bringing the energy as per
Hey.
usual.
2 days
Great
in
to
a
see you,
row.
Energy.
Good
Big
morning.
Good morning,
Big,
Johnny.
big W.
Good morning, Sunboy. Alpha. Tamar. DRC. Trader Steve. NJ. Benji. Atul. Good morning, gang.
Good morning, everybody. Yes, sir. Welcome.
Yeah. Good morning and welcome. Goldie back into the another range of doom. W.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun,
Dun
dun.
dun dun.
A
Welcome in,
horror
everybody.
movie.
It is indeed a horror movie. Dun dun. That's how it stops. Dun dun.
Dun, dun,
Dun 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 toodaloo.
Oh,
Stop
and
lock.
there's a black guy's
Order
gonna die.
filled.
No.
Good morning, Michelle. Thank you, brother.
I gotta be
It will
cameraman.
indeed be a blessed session. Let's bless it, let's pray, and then let's get some
Cameraman never
shots.
dies. Yes, sir. Let's bless it.
Let's pray, gang.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, thank you for this lovely and blessed day that you've given to us, Lord. I just want to thank you for the gift of life that you have blessed us all with, Lord. Thank you that your mercies are new every single morning and that we can count on you for anything that we do in our lives, Lord. I just ask that you go before us this morning, go before us in the session. I just pray that you'll guide us and protect us, Father, and just bless every single person that comes in and out of these streams. I just pray that you will just work through us, Lord, to have your will be done and not the will of our flesh, Lord. I thank you for what you do. I thank you for this amazing opportunity. I just pray that, that your will be done, Lord, and not our will. Thank you for what you do. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amen, brother. Good morning, YOLO.
Low in the house. Good morning, brother.
All right, let's break down goalie and see if we can get something today. We're looking at the previous dailies. Pretty much tells us what was going on so far this week. A lot of confusion for Goldie. Doesn't really know where to go. That might change today with FOMC news. That might be the reason price is not really making a decision in which direction we are going. But yeah, let's see if we can maybe trade inside this range today. Because I don't really expect a breakout before that news event coming out. But yeah, let's see. We have obviously a big 4 range we've been in. And looks like, yeah, we created this range on like 2 big candles. And then look at all those candles that printed in between those 2. So this is pretty chopped in between this 4-hour range. So everything from here till here is pretty pretty hard to trade, but let's see. So we got the 1-hour support down here. Looks like we're just running up from there. We got a lot of 1-hour resistances coming up. Let's see where we going to stop, or if we actually going to stop. But yeah, looks like we just had the ugliest breakout ever, because this 30-minute close right at it, and the next one, yeah, close no top wick above it. So this is not really looking nice. You, if you're looking for buys, pullback and a closure back above would be looking good to potentially fill these wicks. You also have some supports here, so I like this zone to use as a range. So yeah, for buys, something like a fake out and then back above. And then if we are looking for sells today, I think a range to sell below here would also make sense to fill this range coming back down. But for sells, we need that extra confirmation, so we need a range too. And for buys, we need some sort of a pullback on the 30-minute or something. And yeah, a fresh closure.
Sir. W. Manosh.
Yes, sir. Bottom, man.
But yeah, that daily is so chopped. And the for hold.
Cleanest range.
I mean, we literally spent the last day inside the other day.
But news is today,
You
right?
put it like that.
Yeah.
What, Aaron?
News is today, though, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we got FOMC pretty late in the day today. Every time frame is chopped. Yeah, TND, I agree. Nothing is looking clean. There's nothing that where I would say, yo, this time frame actually is looking pretty good. Everything looks problematic, to say the least. I mean, yesterday we had a really good setup, didn't play out, and then NY I saw it also just chopped around, a lot of fake outs, a lot of wicks, until it finally gave you the move. Yeah, it's a tough range.
Tough.
Let's call it. Yeah. Thanks for
it's also
pulling up.
rollover, bro. So.
What you said, Aaron?
I said it's also rollover time. So this is also why the markets are like completely chopped as well too.
Yeah, true.
Q1.
We are in Q2.
Yeah, something with the contracts, and the contracts expire, and it gets wacky around this time, and there's something with the rollover, and this is why we have this chop in the markets, basically.
I mean, usually Q1 is pretty slow because, I don't know, people are not trading yet.
The business is just getting
Yeah.
getting ready.
The year setting its tone.
Set the tone. But energy, love to see you in here. It's amazing. Awesome. I had to take the boogers out my eyes. It's like, what? There she is. Energy.
That's
Every
good.
time frame is chopped. Yes, sir, TND. That it is. Miss listen to all of our voices. Hey, W. I know George's voice is pretty soothing.
Bro.
That's why I had to jump ship too. Don't worry. No. When George left out, no, just let me stop. Seriously, George has the best voice. I know. That's what I'm saying.
We are all here for Lewis's voice.
True.
It's not even.
Yeah, I swear last night I was pulling up to Asia for an hour, and then Lou's voice was making me so sleepy. I was like, all right, I'm getting to bed. It was so soothing, man. Boys.
What's Silver doing?
Let's see.
Same as gold almost. A little bit higher.
Don't
Some of
remind
them
me of
seen
that
it, to be
trade.
honest.
Don't remind.
What?
Close it.
I still got the markings
Rid
from
of it.
yesterday. Go away.
Don't look, bro.
Don't remind me.
I mean, they all still need bottom wicks as well.
Yeah. And you have
With advice on how to build one's abilities the size of that makes the problem. Someone is very limited, but not money. W question. Give us advice on how to build one's ability to size up if they have been consistently profitable. Someone is bringing in money consistently, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Yeah. What I would have to say to that? I would say... basically, you got to take your best setups and be very, very like confident in them. So, you know, you've tested your setups over a long period of time. And then with those setups, you can take those basically on combines. And then again, if you are passing, you know, combines fairly quickly with those setups, then again, you take that same philosophy, put it into your XFAs and, you know, build them up to a point where you feel comfortable basically sizing up. So I would say, you know, so now you're in XFA doing the same process. So you start slower again on the XFA, lower contracts basically. And then again, once you see your whole system again playing out and the same thing playing out, then you take your payout, let's say. Then you can go ahead and size up and see again if your whole playbook plays out. Once that process has been completed, then you run it again with more confidence. So then you take your payout and then you can size up maybe even more, or you can, you know, obviously depending on how the markets are moving, right? So all these things you got to take into consideration. And then you keep building basically the process up and repeating the process and doing it again. So I would say, yeah, it takes a while, but just build up your consistency slowly. And then after that, you have your confidence. And then maybe even like, for example, a mental edge. If you take a payout with that same system, you have a little bit of an edge. So then you have a lot more comfortability and a lot less risk taking on a bigger risk and then repeating that process because you know it works and again and again. So yeah, I hope that answers your question thoroughly. Energy. Thank you for the question.
probably your answer. I would also say that it's just you cannot force it really. Like, or let's say you cannot really rush it. You cannot just risk higher because you risk higher. That makes sense.
You can't risk higher for the sake of like just risking higher.
Yeah, just because you want to. It's kind of like you really have to earn it. You have to get to it.
We all know that sizing up means one first L. Right?
Yeah.
Immediately.
It's
The moment
really
you
like
size
that.
up, you will take an L. So have
100%.
enough margin to take that first L. Then it's up from there. Take your best setup, size up on your best setup at your most profitable time.
It's always been like
Take
that.
from there.
Every time I sized up, it's been the first trade I sized up, it was a loss.
Yeah.
Oh, no. My mic is
It's
acting
just
up.
it's the unwritten rule energy of sizing up.
Yeah. I also see copy trading as sizing up personally. That's just me as well. But that's a whole nother conversation.
It is kinda, yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
But sometimes I like the copy trading part because I still see the small number and sometimes I forget that I have like 5 accounts copied to them. You know? I'm not really thinking about that in the moment. I'm just seeing, okay, this is like $300 risk. That's fine. My account can handle that. And then once the trade is closed, and I'm like, oh yeah, this was on 3 accounts. So I like the copy trading.
Yeah, me too. I've been sizing up, and those are the times I get a loss, and they really come in big, hurting the account.
Yeah, Trade Steve, just size back down, do another like reanalyze your situation, and figure out again your A plus setup, your best setup, and your best trading time and your best trading day. We trade from Monday through Friday, of course. There are 3 different sessions, 3 different main sessions. Figure out your most profitable session and your most profitable time during that session and your most profitable day, and only execute with higher risk on your A plus moves, and you will see a change, guaranteed.
How to differentiate a C risk to a B risk, because okay, I understand that the A risk is for the best setup plus time.
Yeah, I mean, it depends on your playbook, I would say. If you have a setup that is your best setup, that's your A plus, and then also like it's not really an A plus until it's at an A plus time, I would say. So if you have an A setup at an A plus time, then it becomes an A plus setup. And then if you have like a setup at a not so good time, then it might become a B setup. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like the combination of your setup and the time to make it up for what kind of risk you're gonna take on a trade, right?
Oh yeah.
If that makes sense. And then I would just look for what is your highest win rate play on what, and what is your highest win rate time, and then you combine those and see what's your A plus, what's your A, and what's your B. That's how I did it. So we full margin everything. So we can't size up. Yeah. Just full margin everything.
And you can find that out for yourself, you know? Like, what is your A, what is your B?
Hello, Arker.
Arker. What setups, according to your data, do you use A plus size on? Is it onion word? So when I was believing or what? Next onion biology. I see what you mean. So like an onion and perfect like volume time, then yeah, like obviously like those things I would consider like A plus setups. I would also consider like AB's TJL2s A plus setups. All like I have a bigger like range of A plus setups, but that's because I'm also less picky in terms of what is an A plus setup and more picky in terms of where I'm taking vantage points and things like that, if that makes sense. But that's the way I trade. So that's, you know, it's going to differentiate than maybe someone else. But let's say I have a 50K account like that I'm trading. I would consider an A plus setup differently then. I would say an A plus setup would be like higher time frame onion plays, let's say off the 1 hour and trending direction. Then I wouldn't say then like maybe let's just say TJL2 for example. Then I wouldn't say TJL2 is an A plus risk for me on this account, because that's not what I'm looking for on that account. I'm not trying to get a quick in and out type of trade, if that makes sense, or a quick scalp. So I kind of like differentiate A plus into like what I'm trying to do with the account, if that makes sense. So since we're on prop firms and on these accounts, I have a bigger range of A plus plays, if that is helpful to make sense. And I would love to get like more into this, and I'm working on like explaining this in my own thing, and like my own fingerprint, my own, what's the word I'm looking for, playbook. But I'm working on that, like to make this into a course where I can explain when and where I am personally using A plus, what I consider A plus and stuff. So yeah, I would love to expand on that, but I hope that is kind of helpful enough to get you pointed in the right direction.
Joni, if you like, you can send your statistics on the Discord and then we can look over them.
Yeah, send him, John. Send him.
W.
The famous question: what is a TJL2?
You gotta ask
Energy.
AE for that.
If only you knew.
Or you gotta go to
Those
AE
some
bootcamp
sort
for
of
that.
TJLs.
It's a better beat. Now that energy. Energy, you got me talking more than no.
Yeah, W. W.
But how's it been going for you, Energy? How's your trading been doing?
W a tool. W. Yeah, it's during these conditions, it is best to probably pick the trading session that you're most comfortable with, that you're most profitable with. That's what I would do. If I wasn't trading all these sessions, I would probably just pick one trading session, trade it until market subsides. We get pretty much normal price. This is not normal price, I would say. Been trading gold for many years now, and this happens every so once in a while, but it's been happening very frequently lately. So these are not necessarily normal market conditions. So W move on focusing on neo session trades. I like that.
Before FOMC later, then press conference starts. Going to chill until then. W, bro.
So hard traded. You see, that's why we're banned, bro, in South
I
Africa.
love it.
That's
love
why
it.
we're banned.
Going to chill until then.
W, bro. W.
Very good, actually. I'm happy with my consistent results, looking to get 1% better every day and achieve new goals. W, Energy.
Yep, that's all that matters. That's all that matters, energy. 1% every day.
You paying that 3K over there?
Energy, no need for that. You don't need that.
He's like, nah, I'm too good for that.
You've been at this for a while, energy. It's very awesome to see that you're happy with your consistent results. I remember some of those darker times. So W for sticking through, and look where you're at now. Proud of you, W.
Are you VWAPing today?
Of course, energy, of course. Thank you.
Hey, Energy, I heard you're close to a 5K payout.
Oh, what? Energy, why don't you lead with that?
She's humble, bro. She's humble.
That's the max payout, right, on Top Step.
She's maxing out now.
Top step, yeah, that's max for one account.
Insane. Great job, especially in those conditions.
How'd you do it, Energy? What's the secret to 5K payout?
Spill the sauce. I'm about to be dead. For real, man.
Goldie doing anything? Not even looking, to be honest.
No, not really.
I knew I didn't even have to look.
30-minute might close below.
Yeah. W awkward. W.
Jeez. Money's awkward. Maybe 30-minute onion, maybe.
That would make
We
sense.
just stretch it at the same time.
See you, lead Jack. Like watching paint dry again, though.
Yeah.
Gotta get comfortable with watching paint dry, bro.
Right. Until FOMC.
Oh,
Yeah, I hope FOMC clears out this range.
George, you're gonna do a FOMC webinar?
it's not really the same. It's not the same.
Consistent.
Sadly.
Oh, sorry, George.
Nah.
Let's see what Energy had to say about her 5K-ness. Consistent discipline. It's not about, it's more about what trades to not take. Not taking the unnecessary losses and banking on A+ setups when the conditions are right. Even if you make small profits with small lots, it's all adds up. It's just about time. Set the goal, forget the goal, work the goal, and with time you get there. Big W.
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 Energy, not that it matters, but how long did it take you to get like your current payout? Not that I care, like, because I also agree, like, it's not even about set the goal, forget the goal, work the goal, and with time you get there, and you don't even count the time. I think you can remember too when I got the big payout, I also did this, just worked the plan that I came up with. I didn't care about anything else, took my small amounts, and then in the end it was something big. So I just that's why I was asking. 2.5 months of consistent discipline that took.
WNG. W. Also, super awesome closure on gold. Super awesome.
Can't tell if you're being sarcastic.
Very sarcastic.
Because of restrictions, it did take me 3 months, but I take small payouts consistently from my personal capital account. So hey, Energy, bro. I'm very proud of you, actually. That's super fire. W. Took her 3 months, but she also took small payouts consistently from personal capital account. So it helped me to stay even more disciplined. And it did not matter how long it took her on Top Step. Because of all the restrictions. Man, that's crazy too. All the restrictions, all the stuff that they tried to do too to throw you off your game was not fazed by it. W Energy.
It never closed below. Yeah. M Wokey. That's a fact. Yeah, if we close below, we could have said we want a closure back above for buys, but now we got nothing really. It's not really a nice resistance to say we have fresh resistance to keep going, right? This is like nothing compared to the move up. So yeah, still waiting on a pullback here.
So you're saying nothing?
Yeah, nothing. No sells, no buys, just
Yeah.
more waiting.
Silver also, bro. Same thing.
Dang. Boring.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really expect anything until news today, especially like how we've been acting
Yeah.
the last, like, especially yesterday.
I mean, if you just look at the 30-minute down here where we traded these past days, and then we just go up and see this, you guys can instantly spot the difference of price action. We actually got, you know, sometimes of course price gets choppy at some times, but it shouldn't stay there for days and shouldn't be chopping around for whole sessions, you know. Sometimes you get a big move and then it needs some time to reload, I would say, but then you should break out of the range afterwards. And what we did now is just look at this. So it's really frustrating to take trades inside here, and we gotta be extremely careful.
W. Allison. Good morning, Allison.
Alessio,
Allison.
good morning.
Allison. Everybody's here energy.
Our boy JD's yeah, no.
Yeah, where's JDZ?
Right
So
here.
we had some issues yesterday.
Right.
No, that was Joel.
Oh.
Oh, that was wild. We got hacked yesterday,
I
everybody.
woke up from that, by the way. I had
That was so.
my phone was on loud, and then Discord was just sending me like 50 messages or something, and my phone kept doing the sound, and I woke up from that. I was so confused.
I thought my phone was bugging.
Mine too, bro.
Mine too.
And I see some booty. I'm like, what? I know Pastor George won't stand for that.
No, sir. All hands on deck.
Bro, I deleted it out the Bible chat and then just left the rest.
W, bro. 'Cause I didn't find it in there.
In student chat, guys, from Johnny. Okay, Johnny sent something, everybody.
Let's see. Yeah, he sent statistics.
Oh.
Let me see. Oh yeah, this has some detail. I'll look over this after the stream and then I'll send you a message. Because I think this is going to take like a deeper look into it.
Wow, that's pretty. That's awesome, Johnny. I've never really seen a journal like that, so. Wow.
Is this like a printable
bro.
version you have, or do you
I have to go look at this now.
use like a website? What is this?
Mm.
Higher energy. Thank you for pulling up. We'll see you again when we see you again, and be blessed with that exam.
Bye, energy.
Bye,
Thank you
energy.
for pulling up.
Peace.
Come back whenever. Keep going with the payouts. W, big W.
Yeah. 5K. Let's go. Yeah, sure. You can send any one of us a DM if you got something. Yoni. I mean you. You can send us a DM. I wasn't sure if you know who I was talking about.
Peace, energy, peace.
Alright, Goldie broke 30-minute lows.
Anyone looking at silver? Awkward. I'm looking at it. I see the VWAP below, bro, and also like that no bottom wick. It's intriguing. I see you getting down there, but like again, just blah on volume, blah on the entries. You know what I mean? If it was gold, you can like lower a lot it, you know. But you know how silver be. You gotta be correcto mundo. What are your thoughts about it? Yeah, that's what I mean. I do like 1 hour, kind of, though. You could say, you know, broke those highs, rejected, coming back down. 30 is just.
Yeah, see if you get like a 15 to close bullish below, and then you have a 1 hour seller onion. Fresh resistance. Then the sells might make sense because you also have the 4 hour having almost no bottom wick. So we could come down and create a steeper low, but yeah, definitely no sells for me on that 15.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I agree, David. Good morning, Alex. How are you doing?
Alex.
Morning,
Morning,
Alex.
Morning, David.
Yeah, for sure, David. See you good.
Break below on the 30, yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Definitely see it. Again, this would be like not an A+ setup, but you know, C- setup.
C minus. C minus is worth taking.
If you're trying to scalp it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, not like.
All right, London gang, what's up?
Hey,
A while. Good morning.
to go.
A B.
It's down.
Mr.
Hey,
One better.
Abermanu.
Hey, W.
I'll be Manu.
Abhimanyu.
Let's get that,
Yo,
brother.
all right, calma.
All right.
Bye bye.
Sit down.
we got a lot of people in here. Let me drop some W's in the chat on YouTube.
Drop him.
How you doing, brother?
All good, bro. All good. Just woke up a while back, and yeah. W.
Goalie still in the range.
Cody's still in the rain.
W's in the chat for goalie for being in this amazing range. Sorry.
Sir.
Yeah.
Hey, Benji. Good morning, brother.
Anybody looked at NQ? Or not?
No.
No,
Bro, how was Asian? How was Asian? League of
uh,
Legends.
there was
I don't know,
nothing.
bro. Asian is lowest.
I know, but you didn't go at all.
Yeah, I pulled up
Nice.
for a little bit, but I think there was nothing. It was just Luz was looking for Celsi, I think, but then it closed no bottom wick, so he let them go.
Okay.
Yeah. And then it closed no bottom wick again. And then I think he called it. Oh yeah, just a chopped Asia session.
Mhm.
But it was chill. Amazing volume. Good morning, Lee Jack. Good morning, Benji. Alright, goalie not waiting.
I know.
Did we like take opposite trades on London Open?
That's
Yeah,
funny
as we
because
start.
Yeah. Everything looks bullish, proper 30 breakout, full margin sells.
it's funny because Silver's waiting and Goldie's not right now. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yesterday it
Yeah.
was the other way around.
Opposite, yeah. Which is crazy.
Right. My lower time frame, guys. Do we have anything? I see in the most recent structure, I see a 5 change of character to the upside.
Talking about MGC?
Yep.
Yeah, are hitting that now for me. But psychological, maybe 5,000, you know? But I see it now here too. Like,
Exactly.
yeah. I mean, 4.3 if I'm being like exact.
That's your TJL1 on the 5. Oh, sorry, SBR or RBS or whatever that is. And then we have an A plus below at 92.
Crazy.
Let me share my screen. Just a second. I have the stupid account which just got renewed. So I have another account now.
That's okay. No, that's all. Are you looking at AB?
Yeah, just give me a second, bro.
Yeah, you're good. So weird.
Yeah,
Silver to go, just like in that boat. Yeah.
goalie too. I mean, it rejected from here and didn't close below, and then the next one just pushes like that before London Open. And then on London Open, we're just gonna slow down again, or what's the plan here? Let's find out.
Yeah, we got Barlow's coming up too.
Yeah.
We've looking for a break below on the 30. We were looking for the same thing on gold.
Yeah, sadly.
Low volume, amazing volume. WD Jack.
Yeah, I saw that too. He summoned it.
Yeah.
He summoned the volume.
Alright, here we have a change of character on the 5 minute. This is your resistance becomes support, and that's your A plus. Alex, same markings. TNE, same markings. Are you boys looking for something else?
Oh, they said they all had the same markings. I was like, all right, we're buying then. If the all three got the same.
Yeah, same.
Going in blind.
Same. W boys. So we know what is to be done. This gets tapped, get an entry, we take an entry. But since this is also the 4-hour lows, I would rather take the break of the 4-hour lows and then a buy up. What's the Asian looking like? Yeah, even a better setup could be if at London Open we come down, sweep these lows, Asia lows, 4-hour lows, all the kind of lows, close back up, we take a buy here.
Silver broke
And
out.
since this is ranging, so I would expect it to hit the top of the range. But risk-free would be the most important thing. So yeah, let's see.
W. Let's see if there is any push at the break of these 4-hour lows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And for NQ, I'm waiting for two 1-minute candles to close below 25171. Basically this move up. Yo, come on. So this was the last confirmed low. This is the last confirmed high. If we can get two candles on the 1 minute to close below, along with some higher time frame, then maybe, just maybe, we can try sells from here. And that's pretty much it. For buys, buys have to be, there are no buys for me at least till here, which happens to be a 15-minute TGL. So yeah, if I end up taking a sell there, yeah, that's the target. Let's see.
Goldie broke 4-hour lows.
Goldie broke the lows.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming down from that resistance zone, right? At 50, 16, 17 areas.
Yep.
Yeah, up. Yeah, I was tempted to take the 15-minute closure, but thought best to wait for London Open. W.
Just past my top steps, setting that gold run. W, bro. W.
Hey, let's go.
What do you mean, Alex? You chose the wrong rectangle? What?
Congrats, United Sales Uni.
Oh, United States Uni.
It's Uzu.
Usu.
Uzo? What's that?
Usu.
Usu.
W.
W, Usu. Alright,
Yeah,
guys.
great,
1 minute change of character. We have that. Come on, go away.
Yeah, there's a account hack mentioned. I can't Discord on desktop against the Mac. These two things are It's wonderful. Look, if you didn't click on anything, you should be okay, Allison. If you didn't click on anything with regard to that specific situation, that line command developer tools is something else. Maybe you got, maybe you clicked on something else.
Who
at
clicked it?
some other time.
Now, I'm going to look into a way to figure out to mute somebody and delete the messages like instantly. Some bot. Once somebody begins like spamming through channels. So nobody accidentally clicks on some link or something. But always be aware, scammers are trying on all kind of different ways. We had people like impersonating us already and DMing you guys, so we will not just randomly DM you guys to I don't know, sell you something.
But if we say pay the fee in those messages, then yeah, then that's a different thing.
I did have some weird stuff too from my login. I had to like re-log in on Discord today for my computer. It was weird. But I also did like the two FA stuff and authenticator stuff, so hopefully I don't get hacked.
Yeah, best thing is to always have like a two-factor authenticator
Yep.
password on everything.
I send the yeah. W. W Ben, yeah. Can you say that like multiple times throughout this week so that, you know, we get some credibility up in that?
Yeah.
ABM Ike.
Maybe, man.
Hey, don't give them any ideas, you know. That's stupid. I fall for it.
Bro, you should have seen like what happened like in the last 2 days. Holy. People don't like when you make too much money.
No.
Especially some broke boys in India, bro. Holy. I got crazy.
Oh no.
Yes, sir, George.
I got one of those calls. Why did you redeem kind of calls? Holy.
Isn't that redeemed?
Yeah. We lost George.
Right.
George, rest in peace, brother. We'll miss you.
Someone had a question about who came up with the name Little Son of them. Please tell everyone AB. Oh, it was technically Scotty, wasn't it? But we'll tell everyone maybe.
Yeah.
Where's that message? I didn't see. Oh.
So basically, the name, this was just a little some on the side, you know, like when we were with our previous community, but we used to trade together. Me, you know, George, Lewis. So Lewis and Aaron came in a bit later to actually trading. However, this was somewhere around, I think, August or September 2024, where there was some NFP news, and I used to trade news at that time to pass accounts. Lois also used to do that, so we just hit it up. We were like, yo, what's up? And then we created just a random group on Discord, and eventually Scotty came up with this name, just a little something. So because we used to take this post news trade, which used to be after the news drops, if the 5 minute has a wick to fill, maybe to the downside, then on the next 5, just wait for a top wick and then take the wick fill. So that used to be the lil sum play. And then when we decided to start this community, start this new venture, We were coming up with some crazy names: trading industry, trading school, FX this, futures that. And then we decided eventually, because we couldn't come up with anything, so then we looked at the name of the group, and that was Lil Samsam. And we were like, you know what, guys? We have the name right in front of us. Why are we looking for something else? And ever since then, life has been more than a little Samsam. It's been such a blessing. Even my friends who are not traders, they just tell me, just a little Samsam on the side. So crazy. Yeah, Ben, basically it was Aaron who took the lead on that, and
Yeah, he pushed
he's
us.
basically, yeah, responsible for us actually starting this. We wanted to do it for quite a while, but we always felt that we are not ready. But Aaron was like, yo, look at your charts, guys, and look at how good you've been trading. So yeah, exactly, that was the start of that, Ben, when Aaron started trading and playing poker on Kick. W, Aaron. W.
Yeah, W.
All right, London Open.
Damn, Goldie. What a clean move, but sadly that 30 didn't close below, so we never could get into this trade. Everything closed above there and then it just dropped. But we got London Open now. We got the 1 hour closing. And honestly, I don't expect gold to break out of this range, right? Why would we now randomly break out of this range if we didn't do that for 4 days and we have FOMC later, right? Doesn't really make sense. So maybe we just play the range today and then we can look out for something. If we have the volume and the price action, we break the lows after creating a steep high to take the buys back up, get some closures back above here, for example. I would like that on the 15. This now close below. Because sells, yeah, I don't know. We still got some range on the 15, but yeah, it's getting tough. Let's see how everything opens. Okay, so the 15 close below this these supports. So did the 30 minutes. But yeah, if you need a steeper top wick to really trust, because this would be a stop loss right now, and if you just enter on this, then yeah, any move up, the 1 minute hasn't even closed yet, could just stop you out. So you definitely want to see a steeper top wick, and then the rebreak of the lows would make sense.
And Jay, my dog. Yes, sir.
You the man. All right, guys, what's up? So, shall we take buys or sells? Like, what's up?
Yeah, it's called the trade, bro.
Hey, yo, why laughing, bro? Help me. Feed a brother.
Buy now, sell now.
Yeah,
Not the
Lee
trade.
Jack says a bit overextended for sells now.
Yeah, that's what I think too. That's why I want to see a steep wick, because if I actually going to trade this, but yeah, I feel like lately the volume also died out on London Open. and we had these clean moves for London again. So now I'm not
Yeah,
really
and
trusting it.
London Open right now is 30 pips. W London Open.
Yeah.
Hmm.
1 RTJ level
Amazing.
2. What?
Tell me, dude.
Upendra sent something?
Amazing.
Okay, Upendra took 1 RTJL2, copied over to 6 accounts. Holy. Yo.
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 Oh, Mr. RAB Cell 2.0. Dang it.
Damn. Crazy.
Allison, I've been using wealth charts. Actually, I ended up. I don't hate it. You know, at first I did, but I don't hate it. I mean, it's not
And
Project
make
X.
sure you take that W, bro, because the charts said it.
They
Perfect.
told me to sell, bro. Not now, but before. I think Allison's the only other one who's ever used wealth charts.
Yeah, these ranges are horrible, Oscar.
Hello, Mr. Copy to 6 accounts and make a lot of money. What's up, Upendra? Good morning.
Who do that? Upendra. Guten Morgen, brother.
Butterfield.
They have a convention? Wow. Is there anything on here that you really like using? No way, Della taught you this? Crazy. Tell Della we miss her.
Do you guys prefer trading in the silence or with music? Me personally, whenever the market open, I play Sentries by Fallout Boys.
Bro, that was the quote of the day, Zartrader. I love it.
I like having something in the background, but nothing that really distracts me. It gotta be quiet, you know, not. It gotta be low on the volume.
Alex says he listens to Justin Bieber.
I know you love me.
Right?
Go
I know you
see.
can.
When I take a trade, go to my TP.
Goalie, 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 eh?
No, my SL. Oh, what if I just removed it? My trade would be fine.
But Zartrader, I actually weirdly prefer trading in silence. I don't know, it's weird.
Hey, Bieber Mike.
Unless I'm like opposite, but
Yeah,
with the homies, that's it. Yeah, I'm with the homies. Just right.
Zartrader.
Me and the homies.
There was a giant leap of faith in my trading. Was shaking overall when I copied over 6 accounts. I just imagined what would AB do in this case. I knew he would simply let it flow. So I
Hey.
mimicked it. Hey. Upendra, come on.
Yes, sir.
I'm blushing right now.
Hey, you ready
But
to
W,
3.0?
W, Upendra, W.
I'm 3.0. W, brother.
I mean, looks like we gotta do another boot camp or something, guys.
Hey.
Oh.
And that's like 2 or 3 times now.
How much money did you
I'm
guys
hearing
make?
about it.
I mean, Upendra, Orchid, TND, you guys seem to trade AB strategy a lot. Can you guys like tell me how much payouts did you get throughout this strategy?
Yeah, tell him, guys. Tell him.
99 million.
Was it worth
99 million.
1,500 away from a payout? Your first payout, right? First ever W, Panda.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the rock that keeps that gets the whole thing
One that
going.
breaks the dam.
Yeah.
As we say.
Yep. Nah, but
W.
it's nice. You know, the thing with copy trading 6 accounts is just that you have to get over the mental barrier. And again, it comes down to the confidence. Again, that confidence comes down to your technicals. I definitely believe 99% of your psychological problems would go away when your technicals start lining up, when you know what you're waiting for, when you have certain systems around it. And that's pretty much it. With the 6 accounts, it's just you have to just get over the mental barrier that, okay, I have 6 accounts on the night. So what, if you had 6 accounts, so let's say you had 20 accounts, if you're going to execute the same trade on all of those 20, so why not just copy trade it?
Yeah.
Again, this is only for very patient people. Impatient people, can just lose it all.
Jeez,
Holy
TND.
TND,
On
11K.
11K since
Oh.
February 4th, brother. Yay!
11K.
WAD, bro.
All right, there's a bit of confirmation here on NQ, so I'm gonna take a sell here because that is a level. Yeah, let's just go
Hello?
with that.
Hey yo, George, welcome back.
Rejected. It's
Yo.
showing rejected. It's gone. I hate trade away.
Trade away.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah.
Let me fix it
Hold
up
on.
and share my screen again.
Hey, brother.
No wonder it got rejected. I'm on a different account. Holy stupid.
Are you at a level?
Yep, just a second. I'm in right now. Give me a second. Share screen. Where's MNQ? Yeah. If we get activated on this, stops are gonna be here. TP is gonna be here. So let's see. Just a small little risk. 1 minute change of character A plus. Might not survive. But again, Goldie is popping. So if this 1 minute can close green, the next 5 opens up, comes down for a bottom wick. I would like to take that. Need a bottom wick though.
You're on gold, right, AB?
Yeah,
No.
gold and NQ.
I
So
listen.
both?
NQ, I'm gonna sell. Go see. Yeah. Looking for a buy somewhere around here, but kind of want a bit more of a lower wick on the 5. But if it runs, it runs. Looking for a TP till here. Why? Because that is another change of character towards the downside level. So let's say trade wars. What? Taking my profit now. ABC sells. Yo, what?
I don't want to.
Nah, don't. Yo. Addison, come on.
Don't use the AV indicator.
Come on, guys. Just a little something. Where's Orchid's favorite VVAP? Kurt.
Yeah, Oscar. Oscar move. But hopefully after today with this news, Oscar, then gold will be ready. Ready to be traded cleanly.
Overfilled.
Yo, Oscar, that's yeah, we've been in that range for 4 days now. That's so true. I
I'm
like
just gonna go get a
closures.
coffee. I'd be right back.
Yeah.
Deleted, bro. Just me.
I
Guys,
like,
come.
bro. I like buys above here again. Above 15 5k. It's 5k exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 15 zone.
Yeah.
Mm.
I don't like the 4-hour though, bro. Not gonna lie.
Don't look at it.
You're right.
Let's be negligent.
Don't look at it. Hmm. 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 Silver doing.
I haven't even looked at silver yet. Again.
Same.
Silver still
Looking like gold a little bit.
not really. Silver, you need still the
I
same
would
closure
let
back
it
above.
fall.
You want a closure above 80.
Alright, did I get stopped out on that? Yeah, I did. Alright.
No
Starting the
bottom
day
wick
with a
on
250 loss.
the silver 4-hour. No bottom wick. So I think if you get this 15 to close below, sounds look pretty good on silver. What do you think, I'm not
Hey,
gonna
George
execute
is
it, but I
back.
think it looks pretty clean. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, makes sense on silver.
Yeah, I mean everything's pretty bearish right now. If that 4-hour needs bottom wick, it's gonna come down with this 15 closure below, perhaps.
I'm gonna go make a coffee.
Right.
Bro.
BR Bissels.
Beer Bissels.
Gold probably gonna close below on the 15, but no trade for me here. Gotta wait on a 30 minute. Because then now if we can come down again, try to fill this wick, and then we close above, and we have the 30-minute closing bullish above this and this after breaking the 4-hour lows, and then if we get a bottom wick on the next candle, break of the highs look good for buys. And then if we just remain below on the 30-minute, then yeah, it's getting tough, because I don't really want to sell down here at the bottom of the range, right? If you look at this overall range, Goldie plays for 4 days now, or has been playing for 4 days straight now. We are pretty much at the bottom of the range, right? So I would rather have taken the sells up here, because then we have this range to take advantage of. And now we only have this little bit. So yeah, the buys would make more sense from down here for me personally.
100%, I agree. Since we know that the conditions of gold right now is a massive range game, do we really want to look at sells at the bottom of this range that we have been ranging in for 4 days? Not really, right? So the sells, like said, we're at the top, just didn't get our entry, and now we're looking for something else. Simple.
Yep. Do you think silver go to sell now? Let's see. I mean, the 15 close below, looking not bad, Silver, Goldie did the move down. Silver didn't do it yet, so you might see it happening. I'm not taking this because first I'm not really into silver yet. I only took a few trades, and yeah, I still have to get warm with it, and also I would need a steeper top wick on that candle probably, because if you use that one now, you have to use the previous S stops, and that's 76 pips. I mean, you can do that, you still got 90 pips, but then, yeah, 76 pips on silver is like a lot, right? Even if you go one contract. I would probably wait on a rebreak of these highs, and then if you really like the salt, look for this. But it's always the right decision to hold off, because honestly, metals have not been... I mean, silver is looking better than gold, but gold especially has not been great, so just wait out this ugly range, you know? That's what I can say. That's the best thing you can do, actually. If you get some shitty price action, you just wait it out. We know we have FOMC later, so that's gonna help. $4,997 is a nice point of interest. 4,997, let's see. Yeah, looks like everything around 5k. We just been playing around that level for some days now.
AJ. Ah, fire, bro. Fire.
Yo, AJ.
Yeah, that's a nice Harley, bro.
That's the
Wow.
cleanest Harley I've ever seen, honestly.
Bro, dang. That's such a nice color. Dang. WAJ.
Alright, George, cover me for 1 minute. Gonna be right back.
Hi, brother. Honestly, it's not that clean. You know what he means, AJ. Who is AJ? AJ is the kind of guy I want to be when I grow up.
Okay,
I
looks
wanna
like
be
it's gonna
forgetting.
be one of those days. Look at that NQ, bro. Holy.
What happened?
Stop me out. Coming back down.
All good.
So, fatal.
Super chop, bro.
Choppy, choppy.
I never heard the word AJ. Fatal.
Well, first.
I'm assuming fatal means like a little wash, a scrub, a wipe. I don't know.
Maybe it's a polish.
I occurred. Oh, polish, bro. Look at you, freaking smart German.
Hey, soccer. Have a blessed day,
Peace,
brother.
Ockert.
Peace, all good.
He's awkward.
All good. Send some photos from the beach. You know the beach. Not your photos.
Silver did the move. Let's see.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, no top wick. But yeah, dang. Tapped the target right there.
Yep.
Yeah, it's pretty simple, Alex. Just come to TradingView, press a random buy and sell, and then it will tell you to connect a broker. So once you do that, just give me a second. So let's say I'm on this chart. or my broker has been disconnected, I just click a buy and then it asks me to connect a broker. So I click trade await, I click connect, then it takes me to trade await. It asks me for my account with trade await, and that's pretty much it. You log in here and then you can get back to, yeah, here. Now it's connected, your account. Yeah.
Anyway, like
Alright.
you were saying, silver did move pretty nicely. You got that closure below, but sadly, for me, let's say I was trading this trade, I probably would not have gotten in because of that no topic. But if this was your guys' move and you took a W, you take that lead, Jack. Yeah, this would have been my target. Although the 4-hour flipping, you're thinking, oh man, we could probably fill the wick. You have to look at it from a logical standpoint. This is a zone. You've got a few zones lining up here, and it's got no bottom wick, so I'll probably be out full right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Only one contract. Nice.
Those silver cells, W.
But you should. I mean, one contract on silver, you still made some money.
Bro, like he's saying one contract like it's less than one MGC, but it's a lot of contracts, bro.
A W, yeah, nice move. On gold, we also came down at. If we get some support being formed
Yeah.
here, I would like buys going back up, and
And-
we just play this range maybe.
Yeah,
Me
that would
too.
align with what we are looking for, kind of like break of the daily low, sweep of that, and then closure above. And if that happens to align with your support, full margin.
Yeah.
GP 450, nicely, Jack. W, yeah. It was a pretty easy move to see, to be honest. But you guys are silver traders. I have truly noticed that this happens frequently. A very small wick, and it
Mhm.
still does what was anticipated.
Yeah, it looks like. I think that's because silver might be less volatile when you compare it to gold. So gold, it comes up and grabs some more liquidity,
Yeah,
and then silver just drops.
true. Good
I'll
job,
be right
David.
back.
Sometimes it's worth it,
Crazy.
David, if you can see the move. You just have to hold a valid stop loss. That's the only important thing. And it looks to me like you were holding a valid stop loss. So there's no top break. Broke below. Structure. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Way to get in. Although the entry was not A plus, it still makes perfect sense. The only issue for me would be in that case if you had the current high as your stop loss, because we obviously know that price could easily make a steeper high, but you kept it above the structure, which makes perfect sense, and gives you a lot more validity in the trade, in the move W.
Mwoki. See, I just marked up another support that we have on the 15 and another one right there. So if we get a closure below here, then we still got this in a way. So we kind of want to see close below here. And if it close below here, then we only have about 50 pips until we run into this next support. So it's gonna be tough. Also, like I said, we're at the bottom of this overall range. We've been stuck in for 4 days now, and then I don't really want to sell at the bottom of that range. I rather, because we got FOMC later, and I expect us to break out because of news. Because yesterday we had NY session and NY session the day before, and we never got to break out of this, right? So now I don't really expect gold to randomly break out in this London session. So I rather want to see a support and more interested in buys.
Yep.
Yep.
If I get a 5-minute good closure here, I'm down to take buys. 5-minute TGL too, A plus. Even if this 1-minute closes strong engulfing. Yeah.
Talking
This is a
about
common
buy
trade.
or
Yeah. Wow. Right, I got triggered in already. Let's see if the setup works.
Did we have
WTND. Well done, bro.
nice one? Did we have the word of the day already?
No,
I don't
no,
think
no.
so.
But we can. But let's wait until AB, you're gonna trade, right?
Yo.
Yeah, let's wait until AB.
Nice, I'm good. Y'all continue, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'll never keep the Lord waiting. Forgive me, Lord. All right. Today, the word of the day. We got 1 John 4:4. My dear children, you belong to God. So you have already defeated these false prophets. That's because the one who is in you is greater than the one who is in the world. Amen. 1 John 4:4. I'm going to read that again because it was so beautiful. My dear
Yep.
children, you belong to God. So you have already defeated these false prophets. That's because the one who is in you is greater than the one who is in the world. 1 John 4:4. Beautiful. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. That's a
Yes,
big
sir.
one.
Yep. With that being said, I do pray that everybody on Discord and on YouTube and within the little some community and the whole world have a blessed day for you, your family, and your trading accounts and your bank accounts. Let's get it.
And all of your accounts.
All your accounts. I was gonna say that too. I was like,
Hey.
and for AB's trade.
Yeah,
Just-
exactly. I was about to say, bro, at this rate.
Yeah.
W, John. Well done, bro. Well done.
I squeezed the T
TNT,
key.
W.
It even rhymes. You take that GC, brother? W.
Yeah, he did.
Right?
Let's go.
Boy, put his
Who
big boy
Got some
pants on.
GC trade for that.
Who took GC? Crazy.
Take it, bro. Withdraw, AJ. AJ, withdraw.
Draw, bro.
Withdraw it.
Mhm.
It's funny.
And what's up with MNQ? I mean, guys, this is gonna be one of those days. So,
On the
Time
heat.
to call it, AB.
bro,
Team D, bro. W trade, bro. I missed that one. Super fire.
Yeah, listen, he's clearly doing something right, you know. He's up something like 250k
Right.
in 9 trades
some like
So I gotta raise that 11K.
yesterday alone.
There's some Instagram profit. If anybody wants to run up, if anybody wants to run a Instagram profits channel, feel free.
Yeah.
Feel free.
Feel free, take AJ's. It's the standard. So if you don't see those numbers, don't post it. And if you want those numbers, forge it.
Right. Actually, you know what? I gotta post this on social media real quick.
how's the EDAP?
Yep. Little some absolutely eating.
Average Wednesday.
Yep. Yeah, right.
Another little something on
100%.
Wednesday.
A little 250k on a Wednesday, you know.
The worst part is people think I'm serious when I do this stuff too. That's always the worst part.
Yeah.
But I love it.
Dude, that's the best part. Because
Steve,
one day
John,
we'll definitely be
W,
hitting
bro. W, brother. Go, AB.
that. Yeah, done. I was just saying,
Hey.
someday we're actually gonna take that. All of us, unlike AJ right now.
Congrats, John. W, bro.
Yes,
I'll say
sir.
going back to
It always feels
convincing.
amazing to pass an eval, man. Especially in these conditions.
Especially if it's a no fee one.
Yeah, those are satisfying.
You just pass them and you don't even have to pay the fee to activate it. It's already done.
Good job, John. On to the next.
All right, let's see if Goldie can create that support for Janosch. And for
Yeah.
me.
Gotta wait another
And for all
15
of
here.
us.
Yeah, I like supports if you can come down, create a steep bottom wick, and then we close something like this. We have all this range to come up.
TND W, bro. W on risk free, making this trade risk free. Now you can go to your job and just let the 2 MGC run. If it runs, W. We come back NY, we take another good trade, and we end the day heavy green.
So
Okay,
Big
all
time.
right. How did the 5-minute close? Perfect closure on a 5-minute TJL. Guys, this is key. This is key. So even if this breaks on the lower time frame, but again, it broke, but it just kept on consolidating here. So yeah, no. The only thing would be the 15 needs to close above for it to continue running. 15 needs to close strong bullish, and then next candle come down and go up. So yeah, how does that look on the 30? 30. Yeah, 30 looks good as okay. All right, maybe a bit more of a bottom wick on either this 30 or the next 30, considering this 1-minute structure. So kind of do expect a bit more selling to come from these levels, but after that, if we then continue holding this minor support on the 1 minute, it should then bounce up because that would again be worth like a 30-minute bottom wick area. So it looks good. I'm gonna hold it till 98, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Let's see. Hey, so good to hear that, John. So John said in the Discord chat, replying to TND, that looked really good. We may trade differently, but we mostly end up on the same trades. So yeah, so all the strategies work. It's just how you
Bro.
implement.
AB, you already know that we have that. Like, I take so many TGL entries that I don't know. Me and AB like talked about this.
Yeah.
It's also weird.
True.
Which I don't know how we do that either. But
Okay, I'm gonna close half here and manage my risk a bit because I took an SL already. So I closed half, moving stops a bit to the upside. Oh, my bad, guys. I accidentally closed it. I didn't want to do that. Seriously, that was an accident. Seriously, I wanted to bring it up, but yeah.
L.
W trade of 8.
I didn't know. I didn't even see what happened. W.
Thank you, George. MNQ did me dirty, started me out, then TP, and yeah.
That sound like George? Cool.
I'm black.
So bored. We got LeBlanc and bored.
since when?
You're the most whitest black person that I know then, in that case.
I'm securing profit by 4996 as weekly 1 deviation band there. Hey, okay, Allison.
Alicia.
Oh, I swear, you know every term in trading. I swear.
Yeah, we
Maybe.
need an Allison terminology.
Right.
Vertically challenged. That's my favorite.
That's my favorite too.
Yeah, that's mine actually.
Yo, I love this emoji. This one is just perfect. Perfect.
Sniper exit, AB.
What, bro?
Sniper exit.
I mean, there are no accidents.
Yeah, this was
God
planned.
has favored you.
It's like your brain knew and your finger knew, you know.
So either pre or FOMC, we just break out of this range and come back down again, or we just, hold this range.
Alex, I think your stop should be fine. We might just come down for a 15 bottom wick here, which is needed. Also a 30-minute candle.
Yeah.
I think stops are looking pretty good there for you.
Yep. Yep. I just hope it now reverses and starts flying.
No, wait on us. 6 minutes.
Oh, yeah, okay. Or maybe that.
This guy.
And then we
This
fly.
guy.
That's all right.
No, I just
Thanks.
wanted, I said that for Alex.
Keep
Yeah.
on trade. Nah, you good, bro. It's cool. Baby, you good, bro.
You already eaten. Okay, okay.
Nah, it's cool, bro. Calling you baby.
I mean, no.
Yeah, look, the
Nah.
volume, look, the bearish momentum is clearly slowing down. We also have many candles in this downtrend that have no top wicks, which I would not be surprised if at some point we want to fill them. But now that we've tapped the pretty much the full zone, we can clearly see that these candles are now starting to question their life almost. You know, like, I like that, but I don't really want to. I don't want to stay there. So if we can get a nice strong support off of this zone, it looks good to come up.
I agree. Nice way to describe it.
The candles questioning their lives.
Yeah, yeah.
It's questioning their life. So, FOMC tonight. What do we have for FOMC?
No Powell though.
And we got PPI at 1:30 today. Okay. Interesting.
Interesting.
Press conference. Oh, we have it at 7. Oh, yeah, 1 hour early, right? They're expecting the same, so I don't expect anything then. But this core PPI, though, it shows big difference. All right, let's see. Okay, how did the 5 close? Need this 5 to create a support, come down, bottom wick, and then go up, and then close 15 as bullish. Yeah. Or then we wait for this original sweep out the Asian lows, liquidity taken, and then a good closure above. I basically put all my trades from March into GPT, and I asked GPT, okay, tell me talk to me about these trades. So the one thing that, like the biggest takeaway was, your best setups are when you wait for a sweep of some liquidity and then you take a trade. And it said my worst trades are on the direct entries. So I'm like, yeah, but have you seen the direct entry with zero drawdown though? Holy. Yeah, seriously. And also, it gave me a lot of minor details. That was good as well.
Yeah, sometimes it points out something you don't see because you get some analysis paralysis. Analyzes parallel.
Paralysis.
Yes, yes.
And
That
then
was-
if you
That is
look,
how we struggle with the German words, bro. It's all good.
yeah. And then if you look at your journal too long, you might just oversee some stuff. And it's just, it doesn't have to be AI. Just send it to your friend, send it to somebody, and let somebody else look over it, and you
Yeah.
know they might see something you didn't.
Yeah. How did you feed the GPT with the trades? All the screenshots of the trades. I gave GPT nothing other than that. I put all the screenshots. I just uploaded it. And whatever markings were there on the charts. That's it. On the screenshots. Yeah, and it told me that your 1 hour levels are really good. So definitely to improve your win rate, even more, go for this 1 hour levels. And I'm like, okay. But Goldie doesn't want to go to my 1 hour levels, you know? The Chop City. The Chop Fest that we are in.
Chop Fest 2026. Ooh.
Yo.
Man.
W awkward. W.
Oh,
Bro,
Hey,
I need vacation seeing that.
that
Seriously.
look beautiful.
dang.
Got white sand for real.
People just sitting like that in the sun at 40 degrees. It's just, wow.
It's Australians.
Australians are both different, bro.
Yeah,
That's
that's true.
Different.
We're the crocodiles. We're the kangaroos.
Enjoy the
That's
day, Orchid.
spider.
Enjoy the sun.
Koalas.
Darwin.
He says Darwin, bro.
I didn't get that reference.
Charles Darwin?
Charles Darwin.
Natural
Oh.
selection.
Okay.
That's funny, Aku.
Alright, gold close bearish on the 15. We might grab these loads here, and then if we get a bullish closure and the 30 closing somewhat weak and the 15 bullish, then I still like buys.
Yeah.
Oh damn, okay, we just
Oh,
alright,
yo.
okay.
Oh, yo. WSL. Alex.
Yeah, we just grab all the lows and then pull back. I mean, that's also a possibility.
So the lows have been swept. If now this 5 or the 15 can close above, looks good. Otherwise, we keep driving down after breaking those lows.
Yeah. Yeah, gotta wait anyway now.
Gotta wait.
If this was London Open, I would say, hey, impulse buys right now, looking good, but not on a random candle.
Yeah. Exactly, Allison. Swept Asia lows. Hey, yo, Alex, you were talking about something, bro?
On to the
They
next.
were saying ABL and something. No, just kidding, just kidding, just kidding, just kidding, just kidding.
Yeah, on to the next. I mean,
Yep.
that was just some liquidity grab, unfortunately.
Yeah. I mean the same thing, you know, and like what we were looking at MNQ. That was again a really nice trade, really nice entry. Then we get stopped out and full TP. So can't really do anything in such cases. And very honestly, Alex, I won't even be surprised if after that rejection we just continue up.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Someone needs to be the liquidity.
Look how we just came to the bottom of that range and instantly come back up.
Yep.
We next year we just gonna have buy limit, sell limit, buy limit, sell limit, buy limit, sell limit. I mean, come on.
Nah, bro, we're not gonna do that.
I'm
You know
going
why?
to do that, bro.
Bro, I know what you mean, but you know, bro, like we'll get stopped out by a pip. We'll get stopped out by a pip on all of those limits. All of them.
No stop loss.
Hey, George, you feel me on that?
I feel you, bro. I feel you.
But
Sadly.
this 15 bullish closure, though.
John is already in this.
Yeah,
Wait on
That
us.
makes sense.
Wait on us. Yeah, it makes sense.
yeah.
But yeah, I'll wait on this 30. Even if we close up here, it's still looking amazing to go up. We have a lot of clean range.
Yeah.
We had this move up and this move down without any trouble. So I think this job at least got cleared for us,
Yeah.
and we can ignore this one. So until we get up here, we have some clean range.
True. And it can just
Sir.
drive down, you know.
Yeah. Give me 1 second. 1 minute.
One second. I was still in one MGC anyway, just sample sizing. Yeah, definitely, Addison. Just keep sample sizing your ideas and executions. Now the only thing would be, does Goalie wanna hold this level and peak back into the 5,000 range, or are we just gonna slowly trickle down on volume pushes and then get ready for FOMC? So now what do we see? What do we see? So last few times whenever we have come here, we are doing this. Sweeping the lows, going up, sweeping the lows, going up. So now again, like today is the day. Do we break down to the downside or do we continue going up? Anyways, there's nothing much that is there for FOMC if they're expecting the same things. So I would say price action should follow. But let's see what core PPI does, because if it has a difference of like 5 percentage points, then 5 basis points, right? That is what we call it. So if that can move the market, then maybe we break out of this range and then FOMC we come back in. Let's see. Also, if you guys see this, my watch list. So AUD, all the currency pairs that are there, those were used to sample size this strategy. All the stocks that you see, Nvidia, Google, Tesla, Microsoft, I had kept them to, I had introduced them when I was trading NQ a lot, trying to figure it out. And then, yeah, Pepe for Janusz. And that's pretty much it. So that's why I have so many things in my watch list.
For NQ, those are the highs. Those are the daily highs. Yeah, you can say those are the Asia highs too, because this is pre-London. So if you're looking for a swap of the highs, then it's probably this one at 25 210.
Yep. But overall, if we do like a little NQ breakdown, NQ has pushed up all the way. So,
Wait, let me share your screen on YouTube so everybody can see.
okay.
Uh,
Now,
right, I got you. Yep.
W's in the chat for Yanush. All right. So, when we look at NQ has a very different kind of movement when it comes to gold. And what I mean by that, it's pretty simple. Um, the one thing that I like to use is this Asian range. Okay, what did we do in that? Whenever it has a clean move like this, then you would wait either for a sweep of the lows, or if we are supposed to be bullish, I don't expect it to come back down below this kind of zone. So this is what I see there, and if I look at it on the 15-minute, of course there's a TJL sitting here, and we have another TJL sitting here to take buys. So let me just change the color to green so that there is no confusion for people who don't know the strategy. So yeah, these would be my two levels to take buys, but very honestly, if I look at the price action, it might sweep all of them, so we would have to wait. And again, the next thing is going to be just a break of this high, and then how do we figure out, okay, is it going to push or not after breaking the highs? As we take a look to the left, so on the left side, when we zoom out and look at it, we have this chop fest. So what does the chop actually mean? It means that here the price is indecisive. There are buyers and sellers in equal kind of amounts, and we can read that. Whenever we are coming down from kind of the low areas, whatever you see on this screen right now, we come down, we push up, then some kind of bearish momentum is there. So now this is not momentum, this is most probably profit taking from the push here, because this push started here, right? So this is maybe some profit taking, but these big moves that we see, that is actually now a confirmation that there are sellers present in these zones, because you see equal kind of volume here to the upside and the downside, and then eventually we broke this structure point, and then we started coming back down. So again, now we are in this thing. The only clean traffic that we have right now is towards the downside. However, today we are printing bullish ever since Asian. So in this case, we would have to let go of any kind of price here and then wait for maybe 9:30, and of course we have news. So during that news, we can come all the way back down. So definitely, I would say NQ doesn't have a lot of structure right now. If you want, we can trade it off of the lower time frame structures, but right now we don't have enough data for us to understand, okay, where it is going. So in such cases, you would want to come down to the lower time frames, do your structure marking there, and then trade off that structure, because you see this range is just what, 50-60 pips. All right, so these are your scalping opportunities now when the trade or when the time isn't there. For example, wait, when we are not in high volume times, these are the kind of plays you would want to take, but with that comes getting wigged out. So yeah, this is what I see. Currently this level is still holding, so we might just range around here in this particular zone, and then maybe if we are still holding it 9:30 or maybe news, we come down, tap this and reject. If we do reject and then start closing above here, then I know, okay, these levels, these TJLs are working. So when it starts breaking above these highs, in those cases, and if it happens to align with high volume times, we would like to take some aggressive buying entries to clear out this range, because this, you see, this is gonna get cleared very easily because there is no particular structure. It is just like volume trickling down. So if we come in with heavy volume, this could be an easy trade, but I wouldn't like to take it right now. And anyways, we need 2 1-minute candles to close above this yellow line, this top one. Once we get that, then only we can look for some kind of buys. But as of now, there's nothing. Or maybe if the 15 closes above. But if the 15 closes above, and that's just a 1 minute green candle here on the 1 minute time frame, then it has again the possibility of being a fake out. So just wait, just wait. This isn't the cleanest move. And the thing with NQ is it moves so much that if you just wait patiently and respect it, you can get just like a 10-minute trade on 2 5-minute candles that gives you a RR like this. And again, it's not about RR, it's about waiting for a high probability, high profitability trade. So yeah, we can switch the screen back now. I'm done.
W, bro.
W.
Big W, baby.
No. Double U.
Double U.
W.
Yep.
All right. Boys are going crazy.
Let's see. We got 2 minutes for this closure.
Yep. The early closure. You like that, Janosch? Let's say the 15 closes like that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he does.
I do. But if you close like this, not really.
Yeah.
No, sorry. It's changing every second. What-
Yeah, it's hard to tell right now. If you close up here, yes. If you close down here, no.
No.
Goalie makes it exciting, like always.
W. Allison, no worries. How was Asian, guys?
Chill. Didn't got a trade, I think, but we at least when I was there, we didn't have a trade. But we were just chilling, observing price, had some nice conversations.
And I saw you guys took some really nice sells with Mr. Lewis the G in NY yesterday.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, those took some good NQ cells. Yeah,
Yeah.
passed
I
some of his
also-
combines too.
yeah,
Crazy, bro.
boys. I passed some of my combines.
Yeah, that was his reaction too.
Yeah. Boys, if I can
Those-
get this 1 minute to close back inside this box and then outside, I would say buys look really good. No, I don't have Louis G's exact voice in check right now. Yeah, I need to work on that.
Lewis, is that you?
Yeah, boys, I gotta walk my dogs
With my G-Wagon.
and my G-Wagon. Yeah, it's good, but it's eating a lot of diesel. You know what I'm saying?
Diesel.
Diesel.
Diesel in a G-Wagon is crazy.
Yeah.
All right, Eros, give me a trade, brother.
Yeah, we close too weak on the.
L's
I mean, we need a steep bottom wing. Maybe then I'm interested, but it's a tough
I
one.
think if we can pull some of the wick
Yeah,
without breaking
Yeah.
those highs, come down and then have a bias up on those previous 30 highs, looks good.
Yep.
Yeah, at least needs to come down till the support at 89. This 15.
Oh,
I think even lower.
I mean, yeah, the lower the better, but definitely like till the
At
support.
least,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the minimum requirement.
Hi,
Taking a
Alex.
nail after the check. Go on, sorry, bro.
It's okay. We were gonna say the same thing in any case. Take the L, bro. On to the next session. There's a new trade waiting just for you, Alex. Go hit the gym, move some iron from up and down and from left to right. Get a nice pump and come back.
throw it across the gym.
Yeah, challenge it vertically.
Yeah.
That is that freaking
W.
weight vertically.
W Alex, I'm also gonna hop off after this and hit the gym. It's been a while. Yeah, I need to get back to the physical grind. It's just been mental, and that's making me mental.
Right. It's part of it.
Seriously.
W.
Alex, what are you hitting in the gym today? Before you go off.
He just showed you, bro.
Looks like back and by.
I like how he screams out the rep too.
Yeah.
Right. Meow.
All right.
Meow meow.
People in the YouTube don't know what's going on.
Right.
Like, what's going on here?
That's why you guys gotta join the Discord. Oh,
Yeah.
yep. And in case you guys don't know, if you're on YouTube, we do have a lovely Discord available. We would love to have you guys in there. And there you can see all of our screens. We also have a great community that you guys can interact with. Yeah, so feel free to join our Discord. And W.
I made
And
it.
whatever we do here, top down, market structure, candlesticks, everything, the best way to take advantage of that would be to join the Discord and see how everybody else is implementing and using these concepts to improve their own particular style of trading. For example, you might want to switch completely to the market structure, or maybe you just take one or two things like Allison is doing and has combined all of that into the way she sees the markets, like the standard deviations and all. Like, yo, holy. So yeah, join the Discord, interact with the people, and yeah, W's in the chat all around.
So, yeah, I made a barrier here for goalie to not pass through, and also gave a signal to come down. So
Me too, bro.
nice. Yeah, so we're leading. No, goalie, no. We need more signals. All right. Let's do this.
There goes your barrier.
The
Right.
barrier needs to be stronger, I guess. We need some more arrows pointing down.
Yeah, if we were not on YouTube, we would have had some crazy barriers.
We still have that 30 high, so until that 30 high breaks, I think we can still wait.
They also
Barrier has
use.
reached.
I mean, whatever gets us the best trade, bro. I'm down to use everything.
I'm just
Arrow.
I'm just
arrow,
leading goalie the
arrow.
way.
W John. John, I always used to think you and Joel are like friends because when we started Lil Sum initially, you two boys were like, yeah, W, this trade, that trade. If
Yeah,
that
bro,
is
I
true,
remember.
can I ask, how's Joel doing, bro? After yesterday.
I think he's alright. He wrote me on IG, said he got hacked.
Dang.
Yeah, no shit.
Yeah, I was like, yeah. He said he doesn't even have access to his Discord, so I'm like, alright, I won't be messaging you in Discord
He
either.
gotta make a new one now. He can't do anything about that account. It's gone.
Crazy.
Dang.
Yeah, whenever he activates that account, that message is gonna get sent to every community, every channel, every server he's a part of.
Yeah.
It's quite ironic that you know about this. Maybe.
Bro, you have no idea what happened last night with me. If I talk about that, holy.
I don't think
Don't
you
do it.
understood
Don't
what I
do
was
it.
saying.
Right.
But W.
Yeah. Nah, so the thing that happened with Joel, when we were in the university, that happened with a guy as well, and the server and everything was for our university people to talk about things
Oh
and stuff,
goodness
like
me.
proper discussion, bro. And then there comes, oh, check this girl out.
That stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. And then we are texting them like, yo, hello, what's up?
Hello.
Everything good? Yeah. And the worst part was that guy had gone through a breakup just like a month prior to that. So everybody initially thought that, yeah, maybe this guy has lost it. But then
Oh, I
he's
see.
like, yo, ¿qué pasa?
Come on, Gold. Come down. Break the lows. This is
Honestly, it's
nothing.
going up too slowly in any case, bro. It's looking kind of fishy, you know?
Yeah, that's if we wanted to see this 5 minute come down, break the lows one more time, and then the next one line up. But now
It needs
it's
to fly though, yeah.
yeah.
It needs to fly. Like if we come down and make it low, it needs to reject almost instantaneously after breaking that low, or else I don't really trust the volume to clear the range.
Yeah.
See, I'm
And
Mexican.
worst case scenario, huh?
Nah, I was just saying. ¿Qué pasa?
Oh. Worst case scenario, if you
pasa?
guys are gonna still be trading in 30 minutes, 30-minute support looks pretty good. If we print a support and break these lows, because I still don't trust these lows.
Yeah, I agree. I agree, George.
Oh, my name is Borge now.
Borge.
Boy.
Borge and
Come
Bergrand.
on, boy.
All right, guys, the conversations, the quality is declining. I'm calling it after this 15-minute candid closure.
Yeah, I mean the volume is also slowing down.
We can call
Yeah,
it
man.
now, bro.
There's nothing, bro.
Yeah. I'm down to call it now.
Same.
We might
Um,
just
Yeah, you
On-
know. Yeah.
breakdown, maybe.
we might just chop our way up or something, but yeah, it's not gonna be a clean move, I think. And I like
Definitely
clean
no
moves.
buys. No buys. Hey, just a second, Janos, just to add to your confluence. Definitely no buys above till we get 1 minute candles closing above 96. Go on, bro.
I was done. All good.
Ah, okay.
Alrighty.
Yes, sir.
Gangalicious. If you are still going to be sitting at the desk, I would say wait for the 32 printer support and perhaps break the previous low so you can put faith in that low, because currently this low is not very trustworthy. Wait for that. If you see it and you like it, execute. If you like it with the low, execute. If it's your move, simply execute. But thank you for the amazing London stream. It was a fun session. I hope that you guys have a blessed day. And London, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Oh, actually, no, London, we will not be seeing you tomorrow morning on YouTube. We will be
Why, George?
streaming. Because AB, I'm glad you asked. We will be streaming the New York session tomorrow on YouTube, and the London will be for the members. And we will be doing an account giveaway. So if you guys wanna just pull up for the account, that's a-okay. If you wanna pull up, take some trades, also awesome. But yeah, so tomorrow, no London stream, New York stream will be in its stead. Members, we'll see you guys in just a little bit for New York.
What? Little Samsung
I'm
on
being
New York
distracted.
on YouTube tomorrow and a giveaway. George, is this a dream?
Mr. Worldwide.
It won't be. Come tomorrow and you'll see it's reality.
Wow.
Hey.
W.
Members, we'll see you for the New York session. Have a blessed day.
Have a
Everyone
blessed
stay
day.
safe and be blessed.
Yes, sir.
Wait, give away.
Remember, all you need is a little something. Is that?
Stop this in the chat, guys. This is us. Peace.
See?
Peace, gang. Peace, peace, peace.